The new Dior Rouge Blush Color and Glow Duos just launched in so many different variations. I picked up two of them, Dioramour, which is the one that most of you have shown interest on, and also I picked up Dioriviera 257, another very popular one among most of us. Let's start first by swatching Dioramour 287. This has a very kind of like a peachy pink kind of blush, and then the highlighter has this lilac-y tone. I mean, we have seen lilac this year like no other. Now the blush, it's very, very, very light. See right there, it doesn't have a lot of pigment, so I truly do not know how much is gonna show up on my skin tone. I also highly suggest you to pick a good brush to pick up these type of blushes because they are not baked gelée formula, but they are firmly pressed. I'm using an Eason X52 brush, and I noticed that this brush picks up the product really, really well. And I'm referring mostly to the blush formulation. As you can see, this is super light. You can barely see it on my skin, pretty much non-existent. So to me, this specific blush is ideal for those who have fair to light skin tones. And by the way, if you're new here to my channel, welcome to all of you, my beautiful friends. I hope that you would like to subscribe to my channel and ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I film in natural light with a 4K camera, so make sure you change your resolution on YouTube to 4K. And if you're on an iPad, on an iPhone, or on a smartphone, you should be able to zoom in and zoom out so you can truly see very close and personal, even more in detail, these products. And if you're on Instagram and TikTok, I also have content regarding these products there, so you're welcome to come in, follow me there. And wow, I think this is where the magic occurs on this specific blush duo, is when you apply the highlighter. Is that soft glow effect. There's no glitter, there's no shimmer, there's nothing holographic here either, which I'm very happy to report because it's just so wearable. It's just a little bit more icy on my skin tone, combining it with, say, a cool tone kind of pink, deeper than this pink tone. It will look incredible. I'm here for the highlighter on this duo. Okay, friends, let's move on to the next duo, Dioriviera, and I'm going to use the same brush, but on the opposite side where it's nice and clean. There you have it. Let's go for it. Now, definitely this shade, I'm able to see it really well. It's a beautiful, very, very soft, peachy tone. The blushes, both of them, they are very blurring. They do have a soft matte finish. Going into the highlighter, that honestly is more of a luminizer because it's extremely soft. You can even apply it underneath the blush to create even more of that glow from within. But do you see right there? It's super, super soft. Love, love, love this formulation. Honestly, gorgeous. Now, definitely you can mix in both of the shades and just apply them both. I'm just going to do that right now so you can see it. Emphasize it right there. Oh, gorgeous. I think the formulation of these blush duos is exquisite. I love how blurring it is. It looks airbrush filtered. The luminizers are stunning too. I think I'm going to venture to purchase the deepest shade. And here my recommendation, if you are of my skin tone, light, medium, or medium complexion, I will suggest to go with Dioriviera because Dioramour is definitely one for those with lighter complexions. I have to tell you that the blushes are hard to pick up, so you really need to have a good brush. Work your brush in there to pick up the blush. The luminizer highlighter, they are a lot easier to pick up. Okay, my friends, I would love to hear from you. Are you excited about these blush duos from Dior? Which one is the one that you are eyeing? I will be leaving all the details where to find them on the description box below, along with the links, as well as they will be tagged on the YouTube shop, which is very simple to use. You just need to tap the screen and then you will see on this side right here an icon that says view products. You just tap in there and then you can see not only these products but also the rest of on my makeup. Okay, my friends, I want to hear your comments. Let's continue that conversation on the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there. If you like this video, if it serves you of any help, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!